Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back to my channel, Oitu Marchinevi, once again. So, as you have seen my last video, that it was about the ILA voice system. So, what I have covered, I'll just give you a short recap. The last video I have covered the cardinal mark. So, if you have any doubt, you can go and check that video again. Okay. So, another thing today we'll cover the lateral hand mark and the preferred channel. So these are small topics. So today is Sunday. So in a lighter note, I will try to make you understand, not so difficult. Then this is a part 2 of this video, and next parts I will try to cover the isolated danger, safe water, special mark, and emergency required. So now let's start with the proceedings. So first of all, please note this is the full form of ILA. Okay, again, farm reminder. So now move to the topic. So always remember there is a two region. They have divided the full world in two regions. So this is MMD question. Okay, that tell me the name of the countries which are the includes in the region A. So if server asks you, you can say that region A consists of Europe, Africa, Australia, some Asian countries are there. Apart from that, some Gulf countries. Region B very easy. Total America means North America, South America, Central America, Japan, Korea, and Philippines. So, one thing I want to tell you, I will show you the chart, but before that, please remember, try to read a brief history and introduction about ILA. Very rare question, but sometimes asked that why it is came, which year it has been introduced, like that. So you need to go through that. I would recommend you that you can go and read from the S.K. Puri ROR book. Apart from the lot of books are there, Captain Chabra, Yashwant Chabra, then your A.N. Cockcroft, you can go through that books. So now this is the chart. Okay, region A, region B, this is region B. See, these things means Asian countries. Some countries are in region A, some countries are in region B. Okay, so that's how you see Australia is there, region A, some parts in region B, like that. So I think you can go through that chart for your easy understanding. So now let's start with the lateral marks. Just hold on for a minute. Okay, region A. Now for port hand, color will be red, as you know, the normal red. Shape cylinder, pillar or spar. Top mark single red cylinder or can, and retroreflector red band or square. So now this is the region A. Region A. Always remember, if you see can for A, starboard. If you see cylinder, then A, port. This is for region A. Okay, so now this is a can, or this is a cylinder. Okay, so and this is a cylinder. So now cylinder or can, whatever, so you can say that this is a region B, red for port. Okay, now lights will be other than composite group flashing 2+1. Now starboard, what I have told you, that conical starboard for the region A. Okay, this you can remember. And lights will be other than group flashing, because preferred channel will be the group flashing 2+1, so it will not be conflicted. Okay, now in region B, port hand will be cylinder or can, green color. Okay, and for region B, starboard will be this. Always remember, starboard means your cone and port means your can. Right? Understood this thing? Now there is not much more things. Now preferred channel, and I'll ask what is preferred channel. Suppose if take an example, suppose this are a channel, okay, channel. So boy used to place like that, you are coming up like that. So if it is a starboard preferred channel, so you should alter to the starboard. If it is a port, suppose, then you should alter to port. This is nothing but an indication that which side you have to alter. So now how will you determine? Very easy. Let's start with the starboard. See, if you see this thing, I have already told you, if you see this thing, this is region A, okay. Now how will you determine that which side you have to alter? You must check for this middle color. Always remember, preferred channel will be consist of three color. It can be green with a red horizontal broadband, or it can be red with green horizontal broadband, okay. So this is the thing, how you determine that. See, this is the direction of the boys, okay. So now light will be group flashing 2, always remember, okay. So like that you have to determine. If it was a port mark, then it will be like that. See, this shows this is a port, okay, means this is a region A, and this is showing that you have to alter course to starboard, preferred channel to starboard for region A, okay. I think, and these things you can do it by yourself. I don't want to discuss these things because this is a card, or I will show you one card later part of this video, don't worry, and then we will discuss the MMD questions, okay. Now reference, this is region B, okay, region B always opposite to the region A. So if you see the green cylinder, means you are in a region B, okay, but red color will be starboard that time, no port, because you have to determine from the middle band, okay. So now in this scenario, if it is a region B, if it is a green, then it is to the port, and if it is a red, then it is to the starboard. So that is the difference. See, now you can see this thing, you are in region B, this one will be starboard. So hopefully you have understood, okay. I don't want to complicate those things. If you watch this video and read by yourself, I think you have easily, you can get to these things. Group flashing 2 plus 1 for lights, okay, if fitted. Now MMD questions, and one card I will show you and finish it up. This is a card. So this is region A. So if region A, then red means, if region A, red means always port, and if green, always starboard. Remember this. So what I have told you, go for the middle color. So if this is the thing, then it is a normal port, region A port. See, region A preferred channel to port, okay. Now you have to cover these 4 things. Green with one horizontal red band. Now you have to say the top mark, single green cone, point upward, light when fitted green, okay. This will be the light. If it is a red like that, sorry, if it is this might be, then it is a red light, okay. You have to determine which is the light from the top mark. Now composite group flashing is the rhythm. So that is how you have to cover this 4 things. Now we'll move to the MMD questions. So MMD questions simple. First thing, they might told you the preferred channel to starboard region A. Tell me the specs. So you have to tell the specs. Simple. Second question might come that cards. And this is for not only preferred channel, the lateral hand mark also, okay? Lateral hand mark. Simple, just tell me the specification. Then you have to cover those 4 points. That shape, top mark, light, rhythm. Now, card, simply they will show you and you have to tell again those 4 specification from the card. Easy, right? Or they might be tell me the light, rhythm. If you know the full things, then short questions will be easier for you. Now, which part is a difficult? Not difficult basically, but still. Suppose they might ask you region A. You are entering to a port. Which side you will see the green boy? So, region, always remember, this is 1 minute, just change, let me change the. You are inbound. This is called inbound, okay? So, if they ask you, you are inbound, region A, which side you will see the starboard lateral mark? Very easy. Region A, always you will see starboard on your starboard side. If you are coming out, then if they ask you that which side you will, you can observe the red color boy, then that will be your starboard. Understood my point? This is inbound as well as the outbound. This is outbound. This is for region A. Now I want to show you the region B also. Inbound. So this is your starboard, this is your port, this your outbound. Now you can easily observe they might ask you region, this is region B, right? Region B, you are going inside the port. Which boy or which color, whatever they ask you, you can observe in your starboard side, or directly ask you which lateral mark you will watch in your starboard side, tell me the specification, like that. So this is a red, this is a green. Inbound. Outbound, it will be natural too, means starboard you will see the region A inbound, and port the region A inbound. Means what, in a simple manner, what you are observing during the region E inbound, region A inbound, region B outbound will be the same, and region A outbound, region B inbound, that will be the same. Understood my point? If you have any doubt, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. I will definitely tell you which all things you have to do it. And for study materials, please check the description box. All the things are mentioned. So go and check. All the study materials regarding your ETO, GME, your competitive exams are there. So go and check, okay? So I will end this video today. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.